Okay, I have to ask, who knew something as simple as a gummy could bump up your heart health? Well, guess what? I found something that's actually pretty unbeatable. Literally. These Goli Beets Cardio Gummies are changing the game for me. And trust me, I'm not just hopping on the latest trend. I've been using these for a while now. Stay tuned. This might just be the best cardio boost you never knew you needed. Let's talk about Goli Beets Cardio Gummies. These little bites of magic are packed with CoQ10, vitamin B12, and beetroot extract. Ingredients that can help you with everything from cardiovascular health to cellular energy production. And let's be real, who doesn't need a little help with energy, especially after that one workout that leaves you questioning your life choices? So here's the deal. CoQ10 is a powerhouse antioxidant that supports heart health and boosts your energy at the cellular level. Basically, it's the fuel your mitochondria have been begging for. Plus, vitamin B12 in these gummies supports not just your immune system but your overall heart health too. And beetroot extract, well, it's one of nature's finest gifts, packed with nutrients that can keep your blood flowing like it's supposed to. It's like your cardio workout but in gummy form. Can't complain about that. I'll admit, I was skeptical at first. I mean, gummies for cardio, but after a few weeks, I noticed the difference. More energy, less of that sluggish feeling, and my heart isn't running for the hills after a set of stairs. Oh, and the taste. Honestly, I take these over a beet salad any day. Plus, they're super easy to take, so no excuses. So if you're ready to give your heart and your energy levels a little love, check out the Goli Beets Cardio Gummies. They're on sale right now with 10% off if you subscribe and save. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss out on this. I'm definitely sticking with these gummies because who doesn't want a heart that's both healthy and happy? Goli Beets Cardio Gummies. Heart health, energy, and a whole lot of flavor in every bite. Go grab yours now and thank me later.